Dear student, today we are going to learn very important topic, that is sweep command. Means what is trajectory and path, and how to make a threading and spring. Okay. So for that we have to use the sweep command. Okay. And that sweep can be used with the help of coil or spring. Now suppose you have to make a thread like this. Okay. So what you have to do, initially you require a rod. Okay. You require a cylinder, and then you require a coil. Coil you can take from the student. Here draw, there is a helix command. Okay. If you click here, and here it is asking for the radius of bottom. I am specifying the 20. Enter. Then top radius it is asking, give the 20. Okay. After that you have to give the number of turns. T for turns, boys. Okay. T for turns, and I am specifying the number of turns 10. And height at 100 distance, I have to adjust that total turns. So 100 is the height. So this is your coil. Now if you take a circle, if you take a small circle, and now use a sweep command, student. Where it is in solid modeling. Here you can see sweep command, sweep. Go to the sweep. Okay. Select the object to be sweep, means circle. Say enter, and then select the path or trajectory. It is known as a trajectory. Click. Okay. And say enter. So you will get a spring. Now move this spring inside the cylinder. So use the move command, select enter, and select the center and select the quadrant. Okay, quadrant, and again just slightly move the spring. Just slightly move the spring inside. Adjust that spring. F8 on and adjust it like this. Just adjust, or you can specify distance also. And now select the subtract, student. Subtract. Select the big rod, enter, and select the spring. So here you can see the threading. For threading, what you have to do, you can see here threading. Here are the threading, student. Threading. Okay. Now again say parallel. Now like that threading, we can make a triangular threading also. For triangular thread, what you have to take? You have to take a triangle, and trajectory will be same. Means same spring will be there. Okay. And for circular spring, you have to take a trajectory as a circle. And if you require a rectangular thread, means square thread, so your what we say section will be rectangular. See, I am taking here rectangle, see, small rectangle, and again go to the sweep, select the rectangle, say enter, and select the path. You will have a rectangular cut or rectangular path, student. So this is very important command. Now suppose you have to make a coil, Martin coil, okay, or Machar coil you may say. Okay. For that, what I have done, I use the same command. Means which command? I use the helical sweep or helix command, but here I didn't give the height. Okay, I didn't give the height. For that, what you have to do, just click. It is asking for the Bottom radius suppose 100. Top radius suppose 50. Number of turns means number of turns. For that you have to specify the T for turns, enter, and number of turns suppose 10. Okay. And in height here student, very important, you have to specify the zero height. Then it will convert into coil. Okay. And now again you can give the rectangle or whatever shape you require. Now according to that you can sweep the command. Sweep, select, enter and click. देखो ये कॉइल हो गया. Okay. Now suppose you have to make a pipe. Okay, pipe or Allen key student or split pin, which we have learned in the previous lecture. Okay, suppose I have to make a pipe. So what I have to do, I will go to the polyline. Okay, polyline, and here for again I will take the polyline because effort is off. Okay, so I am deleting this one, enter. Okay, now polyline, click. Effect should be on student, effect ortho on. Okay, click, and now say A for arc. Okay, A arc, and here effect off again. Okay, here your turn will be there. Okay, click. Again say L for line, means after arc you require a line. So L for line and effect on. Okay, this is your path by polyline. Okay, path by, you can copy for the next job also. Copy करके रख दो इसको. Okay, इसको copy कर दिया मैंने. Okay, now suppose I require a pipe. Okay, what I will do, select a circle, and inside that circle you can have a small circle. Okay, now these two circles at a time we will sweep. Student, for pipe making, what we are going to do, sweep. Okay, select both circle, say enter and click. Now pipe is not there, so what we have to do, what we will do, we have to subtract student, subtract from big pipe, enter, your small pipe will be there. Okay, so this is very important command. You can make pipe, split pin, Allen key, threading, okay, spring, coil, okay, like that. Suppose you have to make Allen key. So what you will do, go to the polygon, number of side will be 6. Okay, 6, enter, and specify the hexagon. This is hexagon. Now for Allen key, again use the sweep, select the hexagon, enter and give the trajectory. So here is your Allen key student. Like that you can make a split pin. देखो split pin कैसे बढ़िया किया है मैंने. Split pin को क्या किया है, split pin का पाथ बनाना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. देखो पॉलीलाइन में जाने का, गो टू पॉलीलाइन, क्लिक. ओके, क्लिक करने के बाद स्टूडेंट क्या करना है, ए फॉर एंटर. ओके, ए एंटर करने से और इफेक्ट ऑफ करो. So you will have a flexible arc here. Okay, click. Again big arc will be there. Okay, click. Now again you can have a enlarged view. Click, and now say L for line, and from and effect on. Okay, so this is your path in a polyline. देखो, okay. और अभी इसको इसके ऊपर मैं ट्रैवल करवा सकता हूं. तो क्या करेंगे, फिर से स्वीप. यू रिक्वायर अ प्रैक्टिस स्टूडेंट. क्लिक, एंटर एंड क्लिक. देखो या इसके ऊपर क्रॉस सेक्शन लेने के बजाय यू कैन टेक अ सर्कल ऑल्सो. ओके, सर्कल एंड यूज द स्वीप कमांड. स्वीप, select, enter and click. Okay, Student, here you can see the frame, photo frame. Here in this gap you can frame your photo. Okay, so how to make that frame? I have taken a rectangle and this is C section for the sweep. So go to the sweep, student. Okay, click, enter and just give the path. So here you will have a photo frame. You can easily fit your photo with glass. Now suppose you have to make a handle. Handle means door handle, suppose. So you can take a go to the sweep again. Go to the sweep. Select the electrical shape. Enter and click. See here handle. This handle you can यहाँ पे